welcome back to our channel, Life of Ava and ZZ. So today we're going to be making pumpkin spice slime. And all the instructions and directions will be linked in the description down below. So let's get on with this video. Yeah. So the first step, I think, well I know, is to add Elmer's glue. So let's add that. Yes, sir. What? Oh, it's so satisfying. Print. Why are you saying that? I didn't make that. Ew. I've waited to do this video for a long time. Like when Mom was like, I think that's the whole thing. Okay.
I know there's more, but it's like on the sides.
Okay. So,
mine's still going.
oh, also, we're doing this slime. We're doing this slime because it is the fall season. So,
Like monster.
pumpkin spice, fall, kind of. Oh, my dog decides to be here. Now get out the video, please. And
still going.
I'm just gonna wait for this guy, girl.
Can you help me? It's still going. It's like stuck.
That's enough.
Oh, so that's how you do it. I didn't want to make a mess.
And this is white, so pumpkin spice is orange, I'm pretty sure. So we're gonna add food coloring, which is orange. And you only need one drop, I think so.
Let's see what it looks like.
No.
One drop.
And pumpkin pie spice seasoning for the scent. Okay.
Probably can't see it.
And yeah, we have some seasoning, pumpkin pie spice to make it smell good. I want to smell it actually. I want to smell it.
I can smell it from here.
It's like strong but good at the same time. Good for me. So let's add this stuff. I'm gonna add like.
Oh,
One
wow.
dab.
Oh,
That's enough.
wow.
Where'd you close it? Just open it back up.
Not that much. That much.
Okay, so now we can mix it.
Let's get it.
And this is actually has a secret compartment.
Yes.
So
Yeah, secret departments.
it's a spatula.
Oh. Ooh, this is looking so pretty already.
This is nice. This is
Look at the
nice.
size.
So it's not white anymore.
Mine's kind of white.
Orange. This is like a neon.
I might have to add a little bit more.
Why?
Look at it. It's still kind of white.
Just keep on mixing and then see.
Okay.
But this is like a neon orange. I like this.
Mine's
effect.
really light orange.
We can add extra food coloring if it's not the orange we want it at.
Hers is a darker orange. Mine's a lighter because she used a little bit more than
It
me.
still smells like glue.
Yeah. Ew. I don't like glue.
Don't like glue.
I do, but I don't. But I do.
You know my science teacher ate glue.
Ew. And if you're watching this CC science teacher,
Sorry.
you know what she's talking about. Oh, that should be enough.
There we go. That smells so good. Got scented
Flavor.
slime. Yes, sir.
Flavor?
I mean scented slime. Scented flavor.
You can try slime.
A caution, don't eat it. That looks to be crazy. But
It still
anyways,
smells like it. Smell it. You need to add the glue form. I mean, not
whole
pumpkin
face.
spice. Just. I can't do it with my face.
Mix it
Mmm,
Okay.
smell it.
So, okay, I just can't wait. I just love fall because I like
It made a bubble.
candy. But are you done?
Smell it. It doesn't smell like anything.
I don't know. It does actually a little bit.
A little bit.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, sir. Comment down below if you can do the low.
Oh, Zizi.
Oh, and also,
Wow.
also comment down below if you like
Spilled it on
pumpkin
me.
spice. So now, she's still mixing. I'm just gonna keep on mixing.
Yeah, you need to be perfect. Now I can smell it.
Want me to mix it for you?
Yeah.
Because I can still see this, like the pumpkins. I was about to say cinnamon, because it kind of reminds me of cinnamon.
How about I add it while you're mixing? That would
You need more?
yes. Mix.
Okay.
So add it while you're mixing.
Okay.
I can smell the whole house.
All right, that should be enough now.
Yes.
Now we can add. We
More.
don't have shaving cream, but it's okay. We can add the magical liquid.
Magical liquid.
Magical liquids, also known as activator.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna start like this
And I'm just gonna use regular.
because I don't want to use too much. I'm just gonna start with a little bit and see if I need more.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
A little bit. See if it comes together. I already feel it coming together. That little bit. Whoa, Zizi.
I'm cooking something new in the kitchen.
It's coming together. Why did you use the secret compartment?
I put it on my lap.
I love how that sounds.
It's coming together now.
I'm gonna get the whole, like, bowl cleaned out. The whole bowl needs to be clean. That's how you know it's ready.
We also have little containers. Okay, guys. Hello.
Let's add some more.
So, what? Can y'all see the bottom? The bottom is really cool.
I love.
I just like that. And this is what it looks like so far. And I think the activator kind of changed the scent. So I'm gonna get some pumpkin spice.
Like we're adding so much.
Because it
It's
got
an
a
activator.
smell good. Okay.
Why did I close my activator? Oh, it's still watery.
It's coming together. I feel the thickness.
Can you help me, Zizi, mix?
Can I mix mine first?
Oh, it's actually kind of coming together.
Oh,
Ooh,
it's
look
coming
at
together.
this.
Sooner or later, we might have to go in with our hands.
Yeah, mommy.
I
Look
think
at
it's
it.
the time
Look at
is
it when
now. Can I go in?
Let's
All
go
right.
in. Can I put this thing on the table?
Unless we're not selling it.
Ew.
It's coming together, as you can see, but you might need a little bit more activator because it's sticky. Like,
Look
a
at this,
lot.
guys. It's coming together.
This stuff isn't that strong.
They say it's strong, but it's not really strong.
Not at all. So, okay, I think.
Oh, did you see that? That is really coming together.
At first, I thought this video wasn't gonna be long enough.
Oh, wow. Can you pick that up?
1 second, I'm almost done.
Let me get this one here.
Okay, it's coming together.
Look at this, guys.
Are you okay?
That's fine. Ew, sounds so smacking. The food smacking, not the other smacking.
Whatever that means.
The smack in the face.
Oh. Okay. Still, whatever that means.
Ew, look at the activator bottle. It's like, oh wow. It's really coming together.
Is it? And also, I'm wearing an orange shirt.
And also I'm wearing a fall shirt to match.
It's folly. And if you like her hair and want to know how to do it, go look at our hair tutorial
Video. Look at this, guys. And
so this is beautiful.
oh, look at the bubble. I already made one. Look, Sissy. Oh, you missed it.
I'll see it on camera. Now I need to get this off the table.
Oh, look at it was
A
another
little bit
one.
more activator. Because it's kind of sticking to my hands and I want to use this in school. But if it gets stuck to my desk, my teacher's going to be really mad. So I'm going to add more activator. Comment down below. I don't know what.
Comment down below what?
I don't know.
It's really coming off the bowl, kinda.
A lot of people don't really like slime because of the stickiness, but I love it. So we finished our slimes and now we're testing
This
it
is
out.
a dark-
So let's do number 1.
Poke test. Oh, look at the bubble. Okay, ready, set, go.
Okay.
Sorry about my dog. Whining.
I don't know why he's whining.
Baby.
So we did that. It's not sticking to us.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do the swirl.
Okay, whoa. Let's try this. Look at mine. So mine is more pushed down.
This is good. Or it is jiggly.
Jiggly, and we didn't even add water.
Next,
It's not like those
a
other
bubble.
really. Ooh, we have to move this out the way.
Yeah, it wasn't meant to be jiggly.
Here.
Okay, let's do this.
Move this over. Back.
Oh,
Look at mine, look at mine.
Wow. Try that again. Oh my god. I don't know how to make bubbles.
You used to, like, really good.
Yeah.
Oh, that one's kind of slow.
I think I got this one. No.
You got a little one.
Yeah,
I
got
love
this
my
one.
slimes. Like,
Oh, no, you want to hear the crackles? Watch this.
oh, bubble.
Maybe let's do a small one.
Are you okay?
No, I can't make it. I'm sorry. I did a whole raindrop in fact. Oh, I did it.
Little one. I
Oh
love my
yeah,
slime.
guys. Now we're just playing around. So, yes, sir.
That's stuck.
And we also have little containers. So I'm gonna write pumpkin spice slime on both of ours. While she
Yeah, and can you write my name or A? And you can write Z or something.
Okay. Guys, slime.
Yes.
And then, okay, so now I'm going to get my drink because I'm thirsty.
Don't drink it. Oh, look, the bubble's
Yeah,
popping up. It's literally
What is
rising by
happening?
itself.
What is
It's
happening?
rising by
Oh.
itself. Then it just went down.
Are you okay?
Okay. It's like a volcano.
Now I'm going to add
Look, I'm like mixing it in with my fingers. That volcano. Why keeps coming bubbles?
so this is
Mix it with your finger like that. Look, your bubble's popping up.
Well, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.